Hey guys, Lou here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your smoke detector. You may want to replace the battery since it keeps beeping. If you're mine is beeping, I find it easier to find if you turn the light on. Battery in the smoke detector. Open. Maybe hard to do with one hand. Battery. And if you replace the battery, you open, you replace the battery. You put the battery in. Oh, it's you're in the wrong direction. Go in the right direction. And then hold it until you hear a beep. And that's how you replace a battery. This is my video of replacing the battery in your smoke detector. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you guys later. Have a nice day.